Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. So yesterday we discussed the HR questions and Accenture's ASE hiring stages. So today's video is fully focused on Java technical questions that are asked in the ASE interview. These questions are real, collected from the freshers who gave the interview recently. So if you want to crack Accenture's ASE with confidence, watch this video till the end. Just a quick reminder, you don't have to learn everything. Accenture asks only basic, some small coding questions, SQL related question and your project. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, the first section is Java basics, the most important part. Accenture always check if you know the simple concepts clearly or not. Not in depth, not advanced, but just clear basics. So these are the common questions that you can expect in the interview. So first they will start with what exactly the OOPS concept is, what are the pillars associated with the OOPS concept. Then they will ask you about the interface abstract class. So first they will ask you what exactly the interface is. Then they will ask you what exactly the abstract class is. Then they will ask you the difference between interface and the abstract class. Why Java is platform independent, what is the use of string, why there is a need of string buffer, string builder, why string is immutable. So you can expect the questions around the string as well. Then they can ask the questions related to double equals to, what is the difference between double equals to and equals method that we have in Java. Then they can go for collection framework like list versus set versus map. So you don't need to read big definitions, just give short, clean and simple answer. Like for example, let's assume that they have asked you the question related to OOPS. So you just need to answer that OOPS stands for object oriented programming. Its four pillars are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. Done. Simple. So just keep it short. And if they will ask you to elaborate, then go for the elaboration. Now please note this topics carries the highest weightage in the Accenture's ASE interview. So you can expect the questions related to core Java, OOPS concept, string buffer, string builder, collection framework, the difference between different interfaces that we have, the collection hierarchy that we have in Java. Then they can ask the questions related to exception, how you can handle the exception, how you can handle the global exception, how you can create your own exception. Then you can expect the questions related to Java 8 as well. So if your basics are strong, you will clear the interview easily. Next is the Java coding. Very important. They ask only easy and beginner friendly questions. So you can expect the questions related to reverse a string palindrome, largest number in the array, the second largest number in the array, how you can sort the array without using predefined methods, Fibonacci series, swapping of the numbers without using third variable. So these are simple logical questions to check if you can think and solve the questions or not. So don't explain the complete code, just explain the logic in one line. For example, in order to reverse the string, what is the logic that we can use? I can use the loop and I can use the loop from last index to the first index. That's enough. That's enough explanation for this particular question. So you can also expect one or two questions related to Java 8 like filter the even number, convert the list to uppercase, all the letters that we have to the uppercase, count the elements using stream. Again, explain the logic, not the complete code. Then comes the next section that we have is Java plus SQL question. This is the most common combination in Accenture's interview, Java plus SQL together. So you can expect the questions related to SQL like what is primary key, what is foreign key, what is composite key, what is unique key, what is the difference between primary key and unique key, how you can connect your Java application with the database, what are the JDBC steps that is involved, the difference between delete command, truncate command and drop, what is the process of normalization, how many types of normalization that we have, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, different, what is exactly the joins is, what is the different types of joins that we have like inner join, left join, right join, cross join, outer join. So these are different types of joins that we have. What is indexing, what is the purpose of using index. They can also ask you to write the query as well. So these are very basic SQL questions that you can see on the screens as well. So just keep your answer as simple as possible. So in the main interview, they will connect the Java with your project. So these are the real questions that you can expect. Why did you choose Java for your project? Which version of Java you're using? or which you have used already in your project, how you have implemented OOPS concept in your application, how did backend work from request to response, how many collection you have used in your application, did you use or not, how did you handle the exception, how you can create your own custom exception, what are the tools that you have used while implementing your project, like Postman is there, Git is there, MySQL is there, Eclipse IDE is there, IntelliJ IDE is there. So this section is very important because they check if you really worked on your project or not. So here is a simple way to answer this project question. Yes, in my project I have used Java plus Spring Boot plus MySQL, and I have implemented the OOPS concept like encapsulation, inheritance in my user modules. I used array list and hash map to store data temporarily. I handled the exception using try catch and custom exception. I tested my API using Postman, stored my data in MySQL. So if you see, it is clear, clean and confident. So don't explain your project like a story. Explain in a points the technology that you have used, your role, what you built, what you have learned by implementing those projects. So Accenture doesn't check in-depth technical knowledge. They will just check the basics. They will check your communication, they will check your confidence, they will check your problem solving skills and the project understanding. So please don't overthink. Pause the video, write down the topics that you need to revise. This will help you to remember everything in the interview. Alright, these were the real Java technical questions that is asked in Accenture's ASE. Tomorrow or in the next video, I will upload the domain specific technical questions like Python, SQL, cloud, testing. So please don't forget to comment your domain. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. It really supports the channel and motivates me to make more videos for you. All the best for your Accenture interview. You will definitely going to crack that.